Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can easily create a public or private group on Facebook. So without wasting much time, let's start our video. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Step 2. After logging in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Then click on the group option in all shortcuts. Step 3. Create a group. 1. On the groups page, click the plus button in the upper right corner. Then click on the first option, Create a group. Step 4. Enter the name of your group. Enter a name for your group, which should accurately represent its purpose. Then choose the privacy settings for your group. It means you want to make your group public or private. I clicked on public. After completing these two steps, just click on the Create Group option at the bottom. Step 5. Invite members. To populate your group, click the Invite button on the right side of the group page to add your friend to your group. You can also add your friends by searching their names. If you don't want to add them, just click the Next button. Step 6. Add a cover photo. Click on the Upload Cover option to upload a cover photo. I just added a random picture for this group. Then click on the Next button. After that, write a description for your group. You write about your group in the description. I'm just writing the test description. Then click on the Next button at the bottom. Step 7. Now create a post for your group. If you don't want to write any posts, just click on the Done button at the bottom. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Facebook group with meticulous attention to detail. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to delete a group on Facebook, then just watch this video.